Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your TV and the device running Chrome are on the same Wi-Fi network, because casting needs direct discovery. Once done, update Chrome to avoid compatibility issues and attach or enable a Chromecast-capable receiver on the TV. Now open Chrome, click the three-dot menu, choose Cast, and pick your TV's name. This starts the connection. You're taking the first actionable step. Establish the link so the browser can stream tabs or media to your big screen. Once connected, decide how you'll send content. Cast a single tab for web pages, cast your desktop for apps and presentations, or cast a local file for smoother playback. When you choose full screen for video, Chrome sends a higher quality stream. Make sure audio is set to the casting device so sound plays on the TV. If latency matters, use a wired PC or 5 GHz network and pair a Bluetooth keyboard or remote to navigate without returning to your computer constantly. To finish, click the cast icon and stop casting or simply close the casted tab. This cleanly ends the session and frees network bandwidth. If playback stutters or drops, make sure you're on a less congested 5 GHz band. Close other heavy tabs or lower the streaming resolution to stabilize the feed. And if devices can't find each other, restart the router, TV, and the Chrome device. That common fix resolves most discovery and audio routing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.